Hello everyone, let's take up one of the most important topics related to climate change. We've been talking about heat waves, but it is related to marine heat waves. So, what is a marine heat wave as defined by IMD? It states that it is a period of prolonged abnormally warm ocean temperatures in a specific region, and it occurs when sea surface temperatures it exceed 90th percentile of the local climatological average for at least 5 consecutive days. So important point is when it exceeds the 90th percentile of the local average temperature of the sea surface, then it leads to the condition of marine heat wave. So there is one average temperature, then we have the upper threshold of 90th percentile of the temperature, and when that is crossed, we have marine heat wave like condition. So in this case, we see catastrophic and persistent loss of the common mures has been witnessed because of marine heat waves. And this is happening in the region of Gulf of Alaska and the Bering Sea. Please locate them on the maps. And this is the largest documented die-off of a single species of wild bird or a mammal. So it fell prey to the domino effect because of ocean acidification led by ocean warming. So it has disturbed the marine food chain, which first affected the phytoplanktons. The blue whales were affected, the fish species have been affected on which these common mures used to feed upon. Another impact is ocean waters. They absorb 90% of excess heat, which is produced by anthropogenic factors, mainly because of burning of the fossil fuels, which is leading to coral bleaching, dying of the kelp forest. Also, we see that the warm oceans they're acting as a strong source of heat and moisture because of again excessive heating of the ocean, particularly the upper surface, which is intensifying the cyclones before the landfall. For example, it was witnessed in the case of cyclone Amphan. It equally impacts the monsoon, where we see dry spells of pre-monsoon period, and then when the proper monsoon starts, there is excessive torrential rainfall, which means changing rainfall pattern. It leads to strong cyclone forcing and strong moisture disequilibrium during the monsoon time period. There is high latent heat and flux exchange because of again marine heat waves. And also when there is the cyclone making a landfall, the cyclone it pulls the winds from deserts leading to further rainfall deficit. So what are the solutions? Is there any global agreement or convention particularly dealing with marine heat waves or ocean acidification or the warming of oceans? The answer is no. There is no dedicated convention so far. The related conventions includes Convention on Biological Diversity. There were Aichi biodiversity targets from 2012 to 2020, which have now been succeeded by the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework up till 2030. We have SDG Goal 14, which relates to life below water. It is about targeting to reduce the ocean acidification and improve resilience of the marine ecosystem. We have Global Ocean Acidification Observing Network, which is providing us the data, the accurate data about the changing trends. But again, we need more of, we can say, firstly, a common global agreement regarding this theme. There is UN Convention on Law of Seas that needs to be dedicated for the same. And we're talking about blue economy, the sustainable measures. All of that is the need of the hour. Thank you so much for joining us. Meet you new video with the new topic.